right, good afternoon, everybody. We are working on some mini bikes today. We've got this little guy here. What's this one's name, Chris?
Scotty.
Scotty here is going to get an engine and some stuff, and hopefully we're going to make him run and drive today?
Yeah.
Possibly. Oh, and the tail light.
By
the way, this is Chris and Kenny. We're also working on this mini bike that we built from scratch. And we're going to bring this head tube back. We're basically going to cut the whole front end off and bring this head tube back to make it a little bit shorter. We're going to put some fenders on it. This is a 440 big block Duramax. And we bought the forks, but we kind of just built everything else from scratch. We built this bottom plate and this top tube, this tube here and here, and we just kind of eyeballed it and
handmade frame.
Handmade frame. Yep, and swing arm. So that's what's up today.
How tall are you, Kenny?
All right, so here's what we're thinking. We're gonna put this rack on here, but it is a little bit narrow, so we're basically just gonna slice it, spread it open, and cut it to the right angle, and weld her on there. Alright, here's what we got on the rack so far. Chopped it, moved it, welded it back together. We're just trying to make sure it looks straight. Yeah, that looks pretty straight to me.
Yep.
We'll weld her up. Alright, that's it. The rack / grab bar is done. Let's see if it's strong enough. Yep, should do it. I think that'll do it.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, let's put the seat on there.
Oh, she's a beauty.
It's gonna melt it.
Oh, it's hot. Yeah.
That's perfect.
Yep, that is perfect.
Yay.
Sweet. So I had some bad audio here. So basically what I was just explaining here is that we're just going to cut the head tube off the bike and then re-notch the tubes and clean up the head tube and just weld it all back together. But we're going to make sure that we get it in a fixed location and measure so it goes back at the same angle.
While we got this out too, let's chop off the front piece of Bobby, the bracket That's on the front of Bobby for his old mount.
All right.
Let's switch that around too. You mind getting my bike flipped around?
We got a lot of fires in the oven right now, or a lot of, what do you call it?
Buns in the oven.
Buns in the oven.
Something.
Yeah, a lot of fires in that horse.
Got just 3 bikes. 3 bikes doing some stuff.
Take this and we're gonna set it at 65.5 degrees. Which is there-ish. Tighten up, Chuck. Apparently not. That, right about there. Getting crazy. All right, we'll finish it with the grinder. Did you just get like chips thrown in your face? Yeah.
Hot metal.
Hot metal.
Oh, look at these teeth. It chills your teeth right
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh my
That
god.
killed it. That's all right. We'll finish it with the
That's
grinder.
what's flying in my face.
Yeah.
Saw teeth.
Yeah.
Alright. I knew that was gonna be
Hey, we
weird.
got it though.
Yep. Pretty good. A little bit more, I think. Yeah, that's it. That's it. It's right on. Never forget that the cars and cameras guy said, "Oh, you picked one with that frame?"
Nope. I just saw that footage actually yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah, actually, yeah. Yeah. You got that.
All right, so we stopped and had some dinner, and we're back on it. We're gonna put the front end back together. It is completely welded back on. Looks pretty good. And then we're gonna fit the tank, and we'll probably have to do something with that to make it fit. That's the plan. You think it'll fit perfectly on there?
Yeah.
I hope so. That'd be awesome. back on. Oh, that's perfect. Nice.
Yeah.
That looks great. Yep.
Stretching. It's not like that. It's just
Yeah.
waving.
It's amazing.
Well, everything's better now because now I can put my weight on the spring.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not leaning forward. Fuck yeah.
It's great. Do this. Something like that, right?
Yeah.
Basically, just need a tab to bolt through the center there.
Right there. But then how
And
do you
then
want to do the
The
outside?
fender struts are easy. We'll make some little fender struts, and they'll come down. We'll have to come down to the swing arm somewhere.
Look ugly. It's plastic. It really doesn't need a lot of support.
Okay.
I mean, if we could just kind of, I don't know. It's so the tire's so close to
Yeah.
the.
To the muffler.
No,
Or
no,
to
no.
the yeah you can't really
Yeah.
stick it down in there. I was thinking about building something off the back of the strut tower, and then that way it'll have something to bolt to there.
If there's just a metal bar that follows this shape a little bit, I think that'll be plenty support.
Okay. So we'll build everything off of here.
Yep.
And we'll make it so that it'll just slide over.
Yep. And it'll look
Bolt
clean.
on. Okay. So I could probably start there by just making a piece of flat bar and then making the support that comes up and bolts into there.
Yeah.
Okay. You want to try to figure out what's going on with the front?
Yep.
All right, I think that's going to be it for this video. We are running a little bit long. I don't like to make these videos too long. I lose attention myself, so I don't like to go past 15-ish minutes. This one's a little bit shorter than that, which is good. So on the next video, we will wrap up these fenders. We'll show you how we do these fenders on this bike. We're going to work on Bobby, which is the one with just the front suspension. We're going to weld his fender back on, do a couple other small things. And maybe we'll start on the other little bike. But anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.